So, I am here to discuss to you about the evolution of humans. So, have you ever think about the evolution of humans? Or are you confused about it? Or do you have thoughts about it? So, first, in the first place, there is this one man who thinks that humans came from apes. And he published the book on the origin of the species in 1858. He was the author of this book. And his name is Charles Robert Darwin. Charles Robert Darwin was a naturalist and a biologist known for the theory of evolution and process of the natural selection. Natural. Oh, hey there, you look so familiar. Are you Charles Darwin? You look like him.
Yes, of course.
Oh, so according to him,
It is not the strongest of the species that survive, nor the most intelligent that survive is the one that is the most adaptable to change.
oh, so that's what he said.
Darwinian Revolution. It introduces Charles Darwin's idea of natural selection that shows how the process wherein organisms better adapted to their environment tend to survive and produce more offspring. The theory of evolution. On 1831, he went on a voyage aboard the ship HMS Beagle. It visited the coast and island of South America and Australia. Here, Darwin observed and collected a wide range of plants and animals and observed and analyzed it. The theory of evolution. Darwin had found around 15 different species of finch when he was on the Galapagos Island and noticed that the birds were similar to the other finches in a lot of ways, but their beaks were all different shapes. He analyzed the beaks and found that the different beaks matched the type of food available on each island.
The bird adapted to the environment over the time.
The survival of the fittest. In any environment, plants and animals from the same species show natural variation in their physical characteristics, such as neck length in giraffes. Over a long period of time, the characteristics of surviving members of the species will come to predominate. Okay, so let's proceed to the pepper moth evolution. In early 1800s, light-peppered moths survived better because of their color, which matched the colors of the tree trunks, while black-peppered moths are more likely to be seen by predators and be eaten. Okay, so let's move to the stages of evolution of man. The genus of the human being today is called the Homo, and the man today is called as Homo sapiens. From simple life forms that were unicellular to the development of multicellular organism gave rise to the vertebrates. Okay, so the Australopithecus was 1.2 meters tall, and the fossils show the foramen magnum that was large to indicate upright walking.
Homo habilis. He had a face similar to his ancestors. The skull and brain size indicate that he may have been able to speak. Homo erectus. After Homo habilis came the Homo erectus, who was also upright walking. He had a smaller but larger face, less permanent or absent chain, larger brain size, and prominent speech.
Neanderthal. They had a brain size larger than modern man and were gigantic in size. Also, they had a large head and jaw and were very powerful and muscular. Homo sapiens, also known as modern day man, is what we are today. Compared to the Homo sapiens neanderthalensis, they became smaller in size and the brain size reduced to 1,800 cc. Scientific impact. Darwinian Revolution. The Darwinian Revolution, theory of evolution by natural selection, has been widely accepted as our best scientific explanation of how life on Earth works. Okay, and that's all. Thank you.